to illustrate that, do you ever go to the casino?
I do.
Okay. If you play roulette.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, roulette is red and black. So if you look at, and there's a little white ball,
yeah,
which is the house average. Okay. That's the spread. That's the brokerage. If you look at the scoreboard down at the bottom of the roulette wheel, you know the electronic scoreboard?
Yeah.
If you look, you're going to see long runs of red, long runs of black. Okay. And it should be red and black, red and black, red and black, but life is not like that. You get clusters of good luck and clusters of bad luck. Your mother may told you that bad things happen in threes, okay? That's because life is mostly random, okay? And in 8 observations, you get a cluster of 3. In other words, a half times a half times a half, okay? And your mother could only remember 8 things happen in threes. So in a 50% system, okay, you get, the hit rate, that's 1 out of 2 you should be right, 1 out of 2 you should be wrong, okay? What's the probability of 2 bad ones in a row? Okay, it's a half times a half. Okay, 2 bad ones in a row. That means in a 50% system, every 4 trades, you have 2 bad ones in a row and 2 good ones in a row. Now, that means that if your hit rate comes down towards 50%, and many trend-following traders would sell their granny for a 50% system. Most trend-following systems are less than 50%. That in 4 trades, you're going to have 2 bad ones in a row. Now, most people will give up after 2 bad ones in a row, but it gets worse. What's the probability of 3 bad ones in a row?
I don't know.
A half times a half times a half. Okay? Which means that you get a cluster of 3 bad ones in a row every 8 trades. You get a cluster of 4 bad ones in a row every 16 trades, and you get a cluster of 5 bad ones in a row every 32 trades. 5 bad ones in a row. How good will you be in executing your system with precision after 5 losses in a row? Okay, and that's the challenge in the short-term markets. As the hit rate comes down, then these ghastly clusters of bad luck start. And of course, a cluster of good luck